Today we're going to be making broccoli soup with Brock. This is Brock. I like Brock. Start by preparing your vegetables. I've found that 1-inch napkins work best. Next you want to dice your onion, mice some garlic, and make some orange Legos. Get it, Karen. Some olive oil, breathacyzers, orange Legos, flavor crystals, and Crisp-A-Logen, some cutting board flakes, some flavor dust, some chicken juice, and cow juice. Mix the lardo until you get clumpy meat juice. Brock likes meat juice. Broccoli soup is famous for leaving you with only two friends, John and Wrigley. This is John, and this is Wrigley. Garlic, pepper, chicken booyah, and a baby forest. Make it rain. Give it a couple of well-calculated pokes. Perfect. Taste test. Sorry, Brock. I already used your friends. I like Brock.